ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Couldn't be more excited. Our final series for 2 of these 4 teams here today. It's gonna be good. We got the 1 and the 2 seeds currently. Both are fighting for that 1 seed. We got the Comets taking on the Tornadoes. Scenario's pretty simple. Tornadoes, they win 1 game, they got the 1 seed. They need to at least go 8-4. They are currently 7-3. So a split or a sweep would get it for them. The Comets, they need to sweep. They need to get to 8-4 themselves. So if they're able to do that, we'll see what happens. Most of the Tornadoes not here today. We got Jack Grubman along with Will McDermott, the 1-day contract, signed to a 10-day contract by the Tornadoes, so he will be there, along with brother Ian McDermott. He's definitely going to bring a bigger presence for the Tornadoes in these 2 games. And then on the other side, the Comets, they got most of their main 5. No Sam Kaufman, but they have Ashton Canning, Coben Canning, Evan Greenfield, David LaPlante, and of course, Captain John Gersway. So this one should be good. They're taking some pregame shots right now. And let's transition over to some player interviews. Thank you. All right, here with Tornadoes, Ian McDermott. So Ian, you're coming into this final series. You just need 1 win. So what's the game plan gonna be, and how do you think you're gonna do?
We're gonna make it look good, and we're gonna do it with style. Like I said, 1 win in 2 games.
Yep.
See what we can do.
There you go. Tornadoes looking to get that 1 seed. All right, here with John Gersway of the Comets. So as you can see, this Tornadoes team, no draft picks. They got their captain and 2 replacements. So you just need a sweep today. How are you gonna get that 1 seed?
I don't want to get cocky and like look down on my opponent. I think we'll have an easy time winning today. Get that 1st seed. We'll see.
All right, Comets very confident. We'll see what happens. Game number 21. Here we go. Ian's gonna win the tip, and it's gonna be Grubman with it. Tornadoes here with 2 of their usual 3. Comets with 5 of their 6. A lot on the line here. Comets need 1. Or excuse me, Comets need 2. Tornadoes need 1. Grubman's layup, no good to start, and Gersway gets that rebound. Coben layup. No bounce. Grubman's gonna take it out 30 seconds in to this 1st quarter. Got a screen from Ian McDermott. It's gonna be stolen from one of the Cannings. Ashton fake there, step back for 3. Good. Comets start off hot there. They're up 3-0. As much as the 1 seed will be big because it helps you in the finals, it means almost nothing for the semis. The Dragons and Rattlers in a very similar situation. McDermott, good layup, and Tornadoes find the scoreboard. It's 3-2.
You got him. He's a runner.
Gersway to Canning there. Back to Gersway. Good move from John, and the layup no good. Ian will bring it in. McDermott, drive. Layup is good. Tornadoes have the lead. It's 4-2. Behind the back pass, Ian's gonna get the steal. Throws it into Jack, or throws it out to Jack, I should say. Wide open for 3. He will take it. No good. Short. Good tip. And Jack with the rebound. McDermott with it now. He's going to get inside. Tough shot. No good there. Gersway falls. Offensive board. No good. And that's going to be Gersway's. Canning. All the space he needs. No good. Grubman throws it to McDermott. 3:51 in this 1st. Grubman puts that up, no good. Canning with that board. Throws it inside, good pass. Gersway's gonna put that up, no good. No one goes to the rebound, and John's gonna pick it up. Gersway to Canning. What's up, David? Score is still 4-3 for the Tornadoes. He's gonna take that 3, contested, good. 6-4 now. Comets lead. Ian with the post up. Definitely has the size advantage here today. He's going to get that rebound. Throws it out to Grubman. He's going to keep it in. We're on 250. McDermott drive. We're going to get a foul call on Gershwin. So 2 free throws for McDermott now. David will plant the king of free throws. That's true, you have hit one. An air ball for McDermott to start it off. Exactly what he's looking for. Second one also no good. Ian's got it. Gives it to Will. Will's gonna drive. Puts it up. No good. Ian tip out, but it's going to Ashton. Canning for 3. No. McDermott with the rebound. Tips, throws it out to Grubman. Got 2:30 in this first. Oh, throws it up to Ian. He's gonna save it. You know, I'll look at it. All right, hold it. All right, so it will be Tornado's ball. We're on 2:24. McDermott back to Grubman. McDermott from the free throw line. No, Harrison, Justin, and 3 other kids not in the league anymore won. The Fox. Okay, no foul call there. Around 2:04. Canning for 3. No good. Rebound for Coben. All 3 of these guys on the court in the 3-point contest. 2 performed very well. 1 a little disappointing, but he's kept in the regular season. Gershwin pulls that one, and it's good. Comets, excuse me, it is 9-4 now. We're down to 127 in this first. Grubman almost loses out of bounds. Stolen from John. Gershwin for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Looked off of Coben to me.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Off of you? Okay. It will be Comets ball. They're going to throw it in. Ashton had the 3, elected not to take it. He's going to have it from the other elbow. 1 minute in this first. Gershwin floater. No good. McDermott rebound. 50 seconds now. Oh, nice behind the back move. He's going to throw it out off of Will. So 46 seconds. All right, they have elected to throw it in. Gets to John. Wide open. Doesn't take it. Said takes a layup. No. No hustle on the defensive end. Another miss and another rebound. We're down to 35 seconds.
I hate this one.
You're the one that picked it. Coben, no good. Grubman rebound. We're down to 22 seconds. Yeah. Right. Down to 15 seconds in the quarter. Got a screen from McDermott. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Bucket's good. 2 seconds on the clock. Because clock does stop in the last 5 seconds. We'll see what they want to do. 1. No good there. That concludes quarter number 1. Lead for the Comets is 9-6. All right. Quarter number 2 getting underway. It is Comets ball.
They want you out of the house? No. Everybody, man your station. We good?
We've been good. Okay, there we go. A very low scoring first quarter. Gershwin trying to change the second. Not there. Ian hands it off to Jack. Not here for their last series. Got a split with the Dragons. Dragons put up the most points we've ever seen in a game. Grubman for 3 and it's good. Said it's off. Not the case. 9-all. Both teams came with different lineups today. Tornadoes, no subs. Comets got 2. We'll see if that rest will save them today. Gersoy, no good there. He didn't call it. Throws it into his brother. Will's got it now. Will to Ian. Steal for Ashton or John. I don't know which. No good there. Will with the rebound. We're down to 4:30. Fakes the 3, gets it to Ian. Another drive, another good take. And the Tornadoes lead, 11-9.
Go for the face. You gotta shoot it, let it shoot. Hey, Sean.
Layup from Gersoy, no good there. Good rebound from Coben. Gonna look for a screen. Gonna go the other way. Gersoy pulls the 3, no good there. Ian rebound. Comets starting off very slow. Air ball from Gersoy, or excuse me, Grubman. 3:47. They are electing to throw it in. Ashton could not be more open. No good. Rebound for Grubman. McDermott inside to Will. The other McDermott. Fake there, puts that up. Out of bounds. Blocked from Coben, so it will be Tornadoes ball. They're going to inbound it. Throws it into Grubman. Looking for the post up. Going to hand it in. Someone throws it up. I don't know what that was, but McDermott's got it. And he's going to put it in. 13-9 the score.
McDermott out here.
Need the point for the defense.
No.
Shot from Canning. Airball. Rebound. Ian's got it. Does have to take it out, and he will. We are halfway through this second. Tornadoes clinging onto that lead. It's 4. Will played for the Comets last week. They did not re-sign him. The Tornadoes took advantage of it.
He's going to play for more teams in Trevor Region.
Canning good behind the back pass. Gersoy in the corner. No good. Rebound for Ashton. He's going to get it to John. Thrown inside Coben. Layup. Good. Tornadoes lead is now 2. It's 13-11. 2:13 in the second. Almost stolen. Good behind the back move to save it. Goes outside Grubman. A lot of space. Almost qualified for the 3-point contest. Was not eligible to play due to his own reasoning. Being out of town. No good there. Probably a good reason. It's going to be out of bounds. Looked off a jack. Yep.
Good call for one.
I can reverse it. Coben's got all the space he needs. No good there. Will rebound. Finds his brother to Jack. 1:30. Post up from McDermott. Blows it. No good. Good rebound from Coben. Canning hands it to his brother. To Gersoy. Finds Coben inside. He's going to take it back out. John wanted the 3, didn't get it. He's going to throw it out. Stolen? No, not stolen. We're down to 1:05. Coben wide open. can't get that bounce. Gersoy rebounds, gonna put that up. Good. We are tied up, 13-all. We're down to 55 seconds.
How many?
55. Definitely not last season, but this season, this is definitely the lowest scoring game we've had, and there is not a question about it. Might be 26-26 if they keep this up by the end of it. No good there for me, and tips it back out, and a good tip. Grubman with it. Takes his time, wide open. No good. Good rebound from Will. Grubman's got it again. We're down to 30 seconds. Again, wide open. This time elects to say no. We're down to 19 seconds on the clock.
Are you gonna count down at 10?
Yep. I'll get you at 7. 10 seconds on the clock. Throwing it inside off looked off of Canning's leg. I don't know if Will hit it. Okay.
Why are you calling on my wifey like that?
Andrew, bro. All right. Oh, yeah, I had to cut all that out. All right. Getting underway. Quarter number 3. I'll edit that out, too. I'm sure it is. Check up, sure. All right, now underway with this third quarter. Gersoy looks to drive. No good. Rebound's going to be the plant. Or Love Plant, I should say. Short there. Gersoy, good board. Throws up to Ashton once more.
The handle on it.
He's going to take it back out. For 3. No. McDermott wisely lets it go. 29 seconds down. Still no bucket. Seems like that's the theme of this one. They're going to check it. Okay. Looking for a screen. Will he take it? No. Ian from the free throw line drives in. Tough finish, and it's good. Tornadoes got the lead. 15-13. Interesting way of checking that from the Tornadoes. Gersoy, tough shot. Good. Tied up.
Dude, you don't have to pass it to Harrison. I just did it for tradition.
You did that like 4 times last week, bro. I was so confused. All right, clock is stopped. We're at 4:46. Now we're back. Grubman for 3. No good. Gersoy rebound. Canning for 3. No good. Well, playing offensive board puts it up. Usually doesn't do that. Does there though, and almost gets it to go. We're on to 4:20. 3. McDermott's sitting on it. Gonna put up a 7-foot shot. No good. Throws it out, and a good tip. Rebound for Grubman. He's gonna take that 3. No good there. Rebound McDermott. He's gonna hand it out to Will. He's gonna lose it, but throws it back out to Grubman. Good awareness. We're on to 3:50. Step back from the free throw line. No good. Gets it back once more. Grubman's getting a lot of rebounds here. In the corner, Grubman. Good, no good again. McDermott with that rebound. Also no good. Gersoy's gonna get that rebound. Play on. We're good. 3:27. Gonna get it back. Try to throw it through the legs. 3:17 now. Step back, doesn't take it. We're down to 3:10 now. Gersoy for 3. No good. Grubman with that board. On to 3:05. He's going to throw it out. All right, so LaPlante has met his required minutes. They just need Evan Greenfield too. McDermott shot no good. Gets it back once more. Puts that up. No good. McDermott with it. That goes. The low scoring game slightly goes up. 17-15 now. Both teams still have all 3 timeouts. We'll see when those get used. Gersoy ties it up again. John, you called the foul?
Yeah, he
Okay, 17-all. 228. So you just need Evans 3 and you're good.
What's time in it from?
Almost a steal from Canning. Grubman gets around it and it goes. 3 straight buckets from these teams, and the score is 19-17 now for the Tornadoes. We've seen this be the score after 1 quarter. It's now halfway through the 3rd. Grubman almost loses the handle on it. Finds McDermott. He is wide open. Layup. It's good. Assist goes to Grubman, and the Tornadoes now have a 4-point lead. Timeout. All right, we're getting a timeout call from the Comets. 1:52 in this 3rd. See what they want to do. Okay. Yep. All right, so Evan Greenfield has been subbed in for David LaPlante. Clapping for himself. We're down to a minute 51. Gersoy gets right past Grubman, and he gets it back to 2. 21-19. The Comets want this 1 seed. This game is crucial. Tornadoes, they can afford to lose this one. Don't want to, but they can afford to. Grubman, big time 3. 24-19 the score. We're on to 120. Greenfield, he's gonna take it himself. Throws it to Grubman. Or excuse me, Gersoy. Canning open for 3. Mistake? Yes. Gersoy, Grubman, and Canning trade 3s. The lead is back to 2. It's 24-22. I know, right? 59 seconds. Ian's going to take the wide open midi. No good there. Tipped out. Tornadoes loving their tips today, and McDermott gets that one. 26-22. We're down to 42 seconds. You know, man. Canning open. 2 in a row. He's starting to feel it, and that's what they need. Tornadoes only up 1. It's 26-25. We're down to 30 seconds. Or, excuse me, 25. I am good, yes. Is Grubman feeling it? Apparently not. We're down to 15 seconds. Loses it off his foot. 12 seconds now. Comets can take the lead here to end the quarter. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That concludes this 3rd quarter. Rebound from Grubman. The lead is 26-25 for the Tornadoes after 3. Crunch time minutes. 26-25 Tornadoes up. A win secures the 1 seed. Pretty much puts any value of the 2nd game out of the way. Comets looking to stay alive if they want the hopes of that 1st spot. Steal from Gersoy. 3 from Canning. No good. Rebound for Grubman. We're down to 5:48. McDermott. Good move. Good. 3-point lead for the Tornadoes. 3. 28-25. Shot from no good there. Can Evan save it? Yes. Rose it. Yeah.
Review that shit. Review that shit for real.
You want me to review it?
Yeah. It's coming.
You want me to review it, John? Okay. 5:22. It wasn't off his shoe, bro. That's why he didn't want me to check it. You got 30 seconds, John. I'll let you know. Gives it back to McDermott. 5:13. Stolen from Gersoy. He wanted the step back. John. Shot no good there. Oh, good tip from Greenfield. Throws it out. Canning. Good fake there. Now he's got space for the tie. No good. Rebound. Will McDermott. John, you are officially good. You can call timeout whenever, as long as it's not like in the middle of a play. You can call him defensively. 4:44. Oh. All right, 4:35. John, you're good, by the way.
We're up 3?
Yep. 28-25. Throws it in. Who's got it? Oh, Canning's going to pick it up. And it's taking it out. 4:26. Finds Coben.
I got you.
4:15 now. Gersoy, so much space. Can't seem to hit it. McDermott rebound. 3:55. They're up 3. Yep.
No, it would have been a miss.
Jack to Ian. Ian's going to get it back to Grubman. 3:40 on the clock. I didn't get a foul. I thought he looked like he got rid of it to me. That's going to be a foul. She's shooting free throws? Okay. Grubman to the line for 2. Fighting some demons, potentially. He's definitely improved throughout the season, though. We'll see if he can bank off of that. They're up 3. 28-25.
I go?
Yep, go ahead. First one's going to go. Now a 2-possession game. Tornadoes 3:31 away from clinching that 1 seed. Second one, same result. They're up 5. It's 30-25 now.
Good defense here, boys. Yeah, I got it.
Ooh. Quick move from John. He's got some space. Cannot get it to fall. 3:21. Gonna bring some pressure now. Ian's the one who's got it. Thrown up. No good. Ashton, I guess tip. Ashton's got it. Coben hands it off to Ashton. Halfway through the 4th now. We're at 3:02.
Go. Help you, Todd.
Ashton's got some space. Ooh, no good off the backboard. Coben rebound. Gets it back to Ashton. Can he hit that one? Yes! Clutch time rebound and a clutch time 3. It's a 2-point game, folks. 30-28. He is going to take his time, it seems. Almost goes for a steal. Gets a timeout call. Both teams now have 2 remaining. We're at 2:33. All right. Here we go. Steal there.
Go.
Going to be a foul. So 2 free throws coming for Coben. All right, so 2 free throws coming for Coben. Will picks up foul number 1. So you good, Coben?
Yeah.
All right.
Look at the injuries caused.
I'm going to... John, tell your bench to be quiet. I'm going to give a technical if this keeps happening. Your bench is in general. Not aimed at anyone. Just... We're going to hit the second one. That one goes. 1-point game. 30-29. We got 2:29 remaining. Big time moments. They're going to hand it off to McDermott. They are allowed to do this. And that's a steal. The play's going to seem to work. Coben for 3. Good. Comets take the lead. 32-30. Smart basketball. They're looking for McDermott again. And Grubman's going to take it. 2:13. Big time moments for the tie. No good. Coben rebound. He's in trouble. We're going to get timeout call. 2:05. Comets got 1. Tornadoes have 2. 2:05. All right, 2:05. Go ahead. Clock is running. They're up 2. 32-30. This is probably the lowest score we've ever had since the first series back in 2020. The Marksman and the Rays. Not a lot of scoring there. Mostly came from Nick Ficori, but still not much seen. We're down to 1:45. We'll see when the foul game comes into play. Not yet. Throwing it up. McDermott steal. Hands it off to Ian, to Jack. They can tie it up. Maybe take the lead. We'll see what they want to do here. Just going to give it to Will. We're going to get a foul call. So McDermott's sent to the line for 2 free throws. He can tie it up. He was working on his free throws yesterday. We'll see if it pays off for him. Yeah, you're good. Or once Ian gets to his spot, you're good. All right, yeah, go ahead. First one, no good. Regarding a rebound, they'll hold on to the lead. Second one also no good. Can he save it? Yes. Well, who's going to get it? It's going to be Coben with it. Ashton's going to take his time on it. Shot he normally takes, but the situation over the shot. And it's 1:21 in the clock. There is no shot clock. We'll see when they foul. Not there. 1:13 now. He's going to lose it out of bounds. Yep. 1:08 on the clock. Let's see if they want to check. They will. 1:08, you're up 2. We're going to get a foul initially, so 2 seconds off the clock. Grubman can try and tie it up again. He's 2 of 2 on the day. These are big. Is this his moment? First one, yes. Big time shot. Can't hit that second one. Coben with the board. No foul up to this point. Can hand it to John. He's going to hold on to it. Tough layup. We're going to get a foul call. I'm going to look on it. All right, so we will get 2 free throws for Gersoy here. Will picks up foul number 2. Not that that's a problem this late in the game, but still got to record him. Lead is 32-31 for the Comets. They can make it a 3-point game here. First one, no good. A pretty solid free throw shooter in this league. Misses a big one there. To make it a 2-point game. That one's also no good. Timeout call from McDermott. No timeout clock. They are out of timeouts. 1 remaining. Let me see. All right, correction. Both teams have 1 timeout remaining. We're down to 57 seconds. It's a, Tornado's holding on to their 1-point lead. Comets holding on to the lead. 32-31. I'm sorry. Grubman, big time 3. No. Rebound for Gersoy. He's going to hold on to it. 45 seconds. Gives it to Coben. Throws it. Stolen. Grubman. Blocked. Can he save it? He will. I don't know why, but he does. We're down to 33 seconds. Can he get it to Ian? He can. 28 seconds. Might be seeing a game winner here. Who's going to be the hero? Ian gets through both defenders. Finish. Foul call. And 1. The lead is now the Tornadoes. 1 second. Ashton picks up foul number 2. Score is 33-32. Free throw, go ahead. Both teams have 1 timeout remaining. It's a big rebound. Way off. Ashton rebound. They're not going to call a timeout. 17 seconds. Timeout there. 16 seconds on the floor. 33-32. Comets have a chance to win it. Big time moments. Well, we have a big time player. These Comets have a very clutch team. But this might be the biggest moment they've had all season. A loss gives them the 2 seed. Gersoy, drive, shot, no good. Ian with it. He's going to be fouled. 10 seconds. They are out of timeouts, so even with misses, they got to hurry. Yep, you got 2 free throws. Oh, they can pick whenever they want. It's an NBAF rule. McDermott's first. No good. They're up 1. 10 seconds on the clock. This is huge. Here, take a second. Just go through your rotation. Can he hit it? No. Tipped out. Coben's got it. He's going to take it out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Let's go! The Comets cannot get it to go, and the Tornadoes have clinched the 1 seed.
It's okay. We'll play the Jack. Let's go, boys.
The Comets take care of business. The Tornadoes take care of business. Get it done. They're up to 8-3 on the year. Big time win. here with Tornadoes, Jack Drummond. So you get the win, 2 one-day contracts here to help you out. So what does it mean that they were able to help you get this 1 seed, and how you feeling coming into the playoffs?
I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm excited.